The next plugin that we're going to require from Firefox, it's called firepath. Again, going to be the same thing as before. Go to add-ons, type in firepath, one word, search for it. As you guys can see, I already have it installed. However, you would get it in a list of many other plugins, and then you just click add, let it install, takes a few seconds, maybe restart the browser, and now you got that plugin installed. And firepath is very friendly because it helps us to utilize XPath and CSS on the fly to figure out whether our query is correct. So for example, if we check out this automation practice page, which you guys will be utilizing a lot to practice your element identification, it's here at qtptutorial.net/automation-practice. Again, I will put that in your class notes. And once you come here, and if, for example, you want to click on this button here, you push F12, which opens up developer tools. And then you can use this highlighter. As you see, it highlights each element, pretty much like a QTP spy or an object spy from QTP, right? If any of you guys are familiar with that. However, it doesn't give you that friendly recognition. But if you wanted to highlight this and click here, it shows you the HTML for that object. And firepath allows us to test our expression right here. So for example, if instead of using this complicated absolute path, I did something like at href copy that, put that in here, and then remove all of this crap, and then remove these two, and then I hit enter. Boom, there is no highlighting, meaning that it did not work, meaning that my XPath expression was not correct and did not get me to the right element. That's because I removed the S. If I add a S back in and hit enter and the dash, now it's going to work. You guys see that? It automatically highlighted because my XPath expression was correct. And that's why firepath is so cool, because it allows us to test these expressions on the fly. And once we have it, we can transfer it to Selenium WebDriver or our C# code and utilize that in recognizing our elements. And then there's XPath, CSS, and Sizzle. Sizzle is not very often used, but XPath and CSS is something that we will be analyzing very often. So that's why firepath is necessary.